Hello guys, my name is Bhagya. I'm from Sri Lanka if you don't know me already. So I make beautiful video around me and about the nature and about the animals. So today it's rain day, but I want to go to some road trip. Like it is like from my house like 5-minute drive, and then we can see some elephant on the road. So it's still rain, but I really want to go and see some elephant. Let's go with me. So our first elephant. Hey man. So it is like from my house like 23 kilometer, left hand side and right hand side Yala National Park. So we can get like 90% chance to see elephant anytime on this road. Sometimes we can even see leopards, but we have to be really lucky for that. Yes. Let's go further and see some more elephants. Now we saw our second elephant, and he's eating grass. Now we saw our third elephant. He's on the road.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
We saw one more elephant. Now we saw already 4 elephants. Look at that. It is lucky day we saw 4 elephants. Oh, he is not friendly elephant. He's a little aggressive one. Oh God. This is the last elephant, one who followed my jeep, and we saw 5 elephants, and that was amazing evening, so fun. Now getting dark, almost 6:30 p.m. so we want to go back home, and we'll come with another video again soon. Bye.